Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Thank you for coming back to the channel, and I hope that you enjoy my content. Thank you to my friends who've been with me for a while, and thank you to everybody that's just stopping by today to see my project for Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is, I'm sure you all know, and if you don't know, it's an open collab across the YT for all the makers to make something on Saturday morning and share it. This open collab is sponsored by Jill Norwood, and I'll put her link to her channel in the description box. Today I made something to remember a friend. I lost a friend last week. I lost my dog, my boy Griswold. My boy had been with me for like 18 years, and he was the best boy, even to his last day. And I always knew that my boy loved me, and we had had some great times together in those 18 years. And I had him since he was a baby, so he was mine those whole 18 years. But on his last days, I got up the morning, and he wasn't able to walk, and I knew that was my cue that I would have to go and put my boy down. But I'm a bit sad about it, but then I'm a bit happy about it because he's not suffering or anything like that, and he doesn't have to be around where he can't walk and be his usual self. So I made this project for my boy. We used to always sit outside on the deck together, and sometimes we'd sit on the furniture, and then sometimes we'd just sit on the deck and look out over the backyard and talk. And he'd always be my TV watching dog who'd be with me while I was watching TV. And I'd comment on the news, and he'd grunt and everything like that while he was eating his bone. He was the best boy. So this is my project. I made a shadow box. I had this die with this lady and her dog, and it kind of reminded me of my Grizz. And when I picked it up, I didn't think I'd be using it for this. And this says, remembering all the good times we had together. And he was 18 years old when he passed. So that was my boy Grizz. And this is my project for Saturday Morning Makes in memory of my boy Griswold T. Dog. That was his full name. So thank you for joining me. I hope you all have a pleasant afternoon. And if you have a dog, he's your friend, she's your friend, enjoy your friends. I have other friends left though, so the girls are still with me. But I miss my boy. And I'll talk to you all soon in the next video. Hope you all like my shadow box. I put all of our favorite flower was yellow sunflowers and everything like that. And I hope you guys can see it. I hope it shows up really well so that you could see it. So that's my project for Saturday Morning Makes. I'll see you all in the next video. If you like this video and the content on my channel, please give me a thumbs up, because thumbs up really help. Also comments help the channel. And also, if you're just stopping by, please subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Remember to be the reason somebody smiles. And if you have a dog, give that dog a hug today. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.